Hey friends, let's jump straight in, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So for guitar 1 we're just playing 3E, then 3B, 2nd fret on the E, 3rd fret on the E, then back to 3rd on the B. And we just do that 7 times. Now the 8th time we just leave off the last B. 3E, 3B, 2 on the E, 3 on the E. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So guitar 2 just plays G, we hold for a bar and a half, and then D sus4 to a C add 9. Hold for a bar and a half, and then play the C add 9 again, back to the D. Do that 2 times, and then to finish off, just finish on the G, and that gets us ready for the verse. So that's guitar 2, now let's have a look at guitar 3. So guitar 3 is basically doing the same as guitar 2. We just play the G, but just play the E, A and D string. Then play the D to sus4 to our C add 9, but just play the A, D and G string. C add 9, D, power chord, then back to the G again. The D sus4, and then just finish on the C add 9. And they're all the parts to the intro. So for the first part of the verse we don't play for the first 8 bars, then we just come to a G power chord and we're just palm muting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then do a down up and finish the bar 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we do exactly the same on the B power chord 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Same on the C power chord 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then go to the D power chord and do the same again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we have a clean guitar, so let's do that. So we're starting on the 3rd fret on the E and we're playing it 3 times. 7th fret on the D, back to 3rd fret on the E 2 times, G 5 4 to 5 on the D. We do that 2 times. Then we're basically doing the same thing, we're just changing the root notes, and then we're going to do E 3 times, open E string, 7, back to E 2 times, and our 5 4 5, and we do that 2 times. Then we go to the 3rd fret on the A, a C, and the same again 3 times. 7 on the D, back to C 2 times, and then our 5 4 5, and that 2 times there. Then we go back to the heavy guitar. Then we're just doing a build up on the D power chord, playing 8th notes palm muted, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, and play off, mute, off, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And they're all the parts of the verse. So let me talk you through the chorus because it's nearly exactly the same as our intro. Guitar 1 stays the same. 7 times and then finish. Now guitar 2, our clean guitar, we're just going to play the G again. The D, D sus4, C add 9, C add 9 to D. This time go back to the G, do the D, D sus4, and then just finish on the C add 9 there and let that ring out for the end of the chorus. Now let's do guitar 3. So guitar 3 is going to be the same as guitar 2. We're going to go G, to our D, D sus4, back to our C add 9, C add 9 to D, then we repeat that again, G, D, D sus4, and then just hold the C add 9. And they're all the parts to the chorus. From there we go back to the verse, and that stays exactly the same as our first verse, then back to the chorus, and that stays the same there. So our bridge changes slightly. Guitar 1 we're starting on a D, play second on the E, third on the B, E, open 2, back to third on the B, then back to second on the E, third on the B, open E, second on the E. So. Then we're doing similar to the intro, 3E, 3B, back to the E, 2, 3, 3 on the B, back to E, 3, B, 3, E, 2, 3. And we just repeat that through 2 times. That's guitar 1. Let's have a look at guitar 2. So for our bridge, we're starting on the D power chord. We're doing it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, a down up, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then go up to an E power chord, this time 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then on the 4 and just play the E chord, back to C, 1 and then palm muting again, 2 and 3 and 4, our down up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our bridge there. So for our last verse, we're not playing the palm muting, we're just going to play the D power chord, slide back, then we do the next part of the verse the same. So that whole section there. Now the last D changes, we're just doing an extra bar, so we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And that's our last verse. Then from there we're just going back to the chorus and we play that through to the end. And they're all the guitar parts. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. All I want to do is make love to you, guitar lesson by heart. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.